Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start brand new course regarding Cisco certifications. So I hope if you people have the basics of Cisco certification, you would come to know that Cisco is a very big company and it's offering hundreds of certifications. But one thing Cisco certification can give you, that it can give you a path towards a network field. Reason behind is that if you see other vendors like Microsoft, Juniper, Fortinet, VMware, so basically as the time is passing there, still now Cisco certifications are most popular in the world, and they can give you a lot of more things that can help you in earning more in terms of knowledge or in terms of salary. So my course is all about Cisco certifications, and in Cisco certifications I would try to build your own basics, which I will think that no one else will make for you. Because the first part is that I will be communicating with you. It will not be a one-way path, it will be a two-way path. If you see my lectures and if you have a questions, you can email me and I will reply back to you. And I hope you people know my email address. So if you people wanted to understand the basic and core concepts of networks, so I'm 24/7 available and I will reply to your queries with more energy and mm, with more respect, that can give you more ways to learn more things. So having said that, I would like to tell you that in our life normally what happens that we try to see communications and certifications. So communication is the first part to success in your life, then second part comes towards certifications, and third part is for services. So here if you see it, I have drawn a pyramid for you people, and in this pyramid I have drawn from basic till expert. And basically I want to tell you something, that I'm not using anything else than giving you a knowledge in these videos, which will be coming in your uh, in my channel, and then you have to watch it. So the basic part is that my part is to give you more productive knowledge, rather to keep you on another track, and if you spend 1 month and after 1 month you couldn't learn anything that can give you a job in your market. So now the part goes like this, that first level is associate, second level is professional, third level is expert. So my suggestion would be that you always skip professional level. Reason behind is that if you save your money, just try to implement from and try to go from associate to expert. So in this course basically I will be trying to take you from associate level to expert level, because my mission is that if you are following my course, you should understand the basic and real things of the life. Okay, so I have mentioned some um, 2-3 names. One is Cisco certified network associate, number 2 Cisco CCIP, third one professional, and fourth one CCI. This one is already being obsoleted, like it's no more there in the market, but I have put it there because these certifications, if you target this certification, you will get more knowledge on that, because their outlines are helping you to understand the core concepts of the knowledge in real life. Because most of the certifications which Cisco has given to you, they have removed most of the parts which you required in your real life. Because if you are going for some interview, you cannot say to them that you don't know. Like, if because it's a worse part, I mean to say, it's a worse reality that that we are always going through that phase. If let's suppose you have something during the interview, you cannot say to them that you don't know. So my suggestion would be that to target those main certifications which can give you an excellent outline, and that excellent outline you go through it, and then you target your final destination, which is, of course, the final destination is all about to have a good salary. Let's go to the another slide. And in this slide, I would like to tell you that I will target only CCNA. I'm not writing routing and switching. I'm not writing security. I'm not writing anything else with that. Reason behind is that the CCNA is enough for you to do it. Rather you chase those certifications which are optional one. Means to say, you can do these things if you have a knowledge of CCNA. You can do this thing if you have a knowledge of CCNA. So I would try to tell you that Cisco has divided those things in a part which they think that it's correct, but in my point of view, in real life, we don't have that much time. We need to grab, first of all, theory, then practical experience, and third thing, we need to grab the opportunity where we have a good salary. So the part is that you people will learn theory from me. Practical experience is all about your things if you earn from this source and try to get these things for you. Because I will prefer that you people should go on a software level. Means to say that virtualize each and everything. If you are using VM, if you are using Oracle VM, if you are using GNS3, if you are using anything else, like these are the names that would come in your mind, packet tracer, and so on. So my point of view is that I want to target you in the terms of concept. Certifications can come later part. Whatever the code comes there, you just put it there, give the exam, pass the exam, that would literally come there. But if you understand the theory, and then because in most of the cases you would require 5 to 10 concepts which are most important for you to get a good job. So my target is not to give you some specific course name and then I try to follow that course and try to waste your time there, and then at the end of a day you come to know that you have done one certification. I want to give you an overview of in a broad perspective, because real life requires a broad perspective. I hope this lecture would be helpful for you people, and I want to tell you that this would be a complete course. An upcoming course, many lectures would be coming. Till now, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Walaikum Assalam.